Ich darf mal sagen, tauschen wir wieder. Jetzt spielen wir wieder einen Timothy.
After all, it wasn't so bad. I stink like a horse, but I can handle that. Brian, anchor's up. I'm not going to tolerate this anymore. I'll wake him up by firing a cannon if I have to. If I had one.
Und Brian, wie schaut denn aus? Steht im F?
Brian, anchor's up. Something fell out of his pocket.
Da krieg ich ein Taschenmesser. Schon wieder. Und dann ein Krempel Wood. Hunting knife.
I'd need a high caliber to wake him up.
Ein Wecker. Ein Tritt ins Kreuz. So Hilfe.
I should wake him up.
Braucht die Kerzen? Braucht er.
It will be safe with me.
Da lang Kiwi. Und bei in die Hodentaschen?
I can't wash myself without water. Pity. I hope there were at least several drops in.
Wollen wir weghalten? Ich nehm die Missgabe. Geht das? Nein. Und, was tue ich mit der Missgabe? In den Ohrstecher?
The dung fork will take root before I do work like that.
Lucky Horseshoe. Wenn du behaupten, er braucht das aufhalten?
A splinter might come in handy. It's stuck tight. Damn. There's a loose splinter. Whoa, I hope it won't fall on my head.
Jetzt habe ich einen Splitter, was tue ich damit? Das habe ich mit der Missgabe. Komm ich da ohne. Und, das funktionierte. Warum man das braucht, weil ich keine Sauge. Er suchte Glück und fand ein Hufeisen.
Charm. Good luck is that nobody stole it.
Eben. Heute das Hufeisen? Bei ihm? Nein. Irgendwas kombinieren? Aber das geht. Wie gesagt, ein gezielter Tritt hätte auch da.
End of lolling about.
Da war der schon auch
lazy
gewonnen.
bum.
Hey, Brian, das ist okay. Hast du?
You're awake?
Yep.
You didn't stab my arse with something, did you?
Nah, you must have been dreaming. Thanks for the lodging.
Pleasant, isn't it? Some people mind the smell of the horses, but I like it here.
So, tell me, what are you up to? Apart from sleeping.
Where are you rushing to, pal?
You know where. Are you coming with me or not?
You're obsessed with getting to America. Sure, I'm coming, but we can't do it without money.
I know that. You don't need to get smart. Do you have any?
Don't worry. I chased up a job. We'll have money.
A job, you say?
Just you wait for it.
What kind of job? I want to know everything about it.
You're not going to stop it, are you? So listen. I look after horses for a fella who wants to get to his father's vault. He doesn't dare do it himself. You know these aristocrats. We agreed I'll bring him those papers and he'll pay for it. I would do it myself, you know. But I thought it would be better to have someone reliable with me. That's why you're here.
That sounds good, but maybe too good. What do you know about him?
And don't you dare try to stop me, Tim. Just try to imagine what could be inside that vault. The man only wants papers and documents, do you understand? We keep the rest, that's certain, and anything else we find around too. I can't miss it. If you're not interested, I can ask somebody else, but you can forget about America.
No, Brian, it's okay. We'll do this together, like we used to.
Now you sound like the good old Tim. I knew you'd go with me.
Don't think I don't trust you or anything, but how are you going to do that? Robbing a vault isn't easy.
You're right, pal. We'd better think everything over in detail. The plan is as follows. Well, we'll simply go there, be quiet, and get in somehow. Then we'll find the vault, take all the stuff, and get out. Easy.
I see. And you call this a plan?
What are you complaining about this time?
Oh, jeez, Brian, wake up. This isn't like stealing apples at the market. If we get caught, we'll end up in jail.
All right, so what do you want?
A plan, you dimwit. What do you think I'm talking about? Do you really think I'll do everything myself?
Wait a minute. I chased up the job. You arranged the rest. That's fair, don't you think? However, I'm going with you just in case you blow it. We share 50-50, and that's just because you're my friend.
I might have guessed it would end up like that. Give me the address. I'll take a look around.
See? It didn't hurt. Go straight ahead, then up the street, and you'll be there in no time. It's the prestigious residential district, Paradise Street, the first house on the right. Good luck.
Also Brian ist ein kriminelles Element, gell? Motiviert. Mit deinen Machenschaften möchte ich nichts zu tun haben. Und Timmy, wo geht du hin? Laundry? Paradise Street? Da sind wir, oder? Aktuell.
Yeah, I like this place. I'll try to find out how I could get the keys.
Jetzt möchte ich einen Key. Wo möchten den haben? Der Hausmeister? Climb up? Oh Gott, mit Einbrecher.
Greetings. How are you?
Depends who's asking.
I was just passing by and I saw you working so hard, so I thought you might need some help.
No. Go and beg somewhere else.
I'm not a beggar, but as you wish. I won't obtrude.
So, mein Hausmeister ist unter uns. Hat einen Key, den du nicht brauchst. Und bei den Lampen?
There could be a problem with lights at night, but I won't worry about that now. Modern electric lights. Only the smart set can afford such a luxury.
Aber mehr geht da nicht, oder? Na gut. Nimm den Hintereingang.
I don't like the fella with the broom. I'll have to do something about him.
Was sagt er?
I can manage this even without a ladder.
Oh Gott, mit der Leiter um. Eine Leiter habe ich nicht, aber ein Hufeisen. Da was kombinieren. Mit dem Messer auch nicht. Oh Scheiße, ich frage mich um.
I can't move this loud, that's obvious.
Das geht, was geht denn da? Mit die Tiere zerreißen.
I don't want to run in just like that. Somebody might call the police.
Wie schaut aus mit dem Bedrohung mit dem Messer? Auch nicht.
He's pretending to be working. That's what everybody does.
So, Meter was behauptet, ich muss den Typen ablenken, hä? Damit der nicht hin. Das haben wir. Der Meister Brian, geh mal um da. Bruder, aufsteh. Du kannst leider ein bisschen dazu gelangen.
Wake up. I need your help.
Saying please would help.
Oh, stop it, Brian. I went to look over the house. Did you know anyone there? I met a servant, but he was pretty stiff. It was like talking to a brick wall.
Yeah, I know which one you mean, and you can forget it immediately. You don't have enough money to bribe him.
Oh, great. So how do we get in, smart ass?
I don't know, try a maid or something. You've always known how to deal with girls.
Hey, that's not a bad idea. So come on, you distract the servant and I'll climb over the wall.
Pal, what if something gets messed up?
Don't worry, it'll be okay. At worst, we can just pretend we're stealing apples. Come on, get up.
Yeah, go ahead, I'll join you in a minute.
Brian, zünd dich rum, geh mit. Und, kommt er? Aha.
Yeah, I worked for a banker before, but I'm rather attracted by horses.
Really? What did he need you for?
You won't believe it. I took care of his horse until it died. Yet once in a while, he took a pretty nice sum of money to the bank, so I went with him as a bodyguard. You haven't seen so much money in your entire life?
I haven't seen more than £20 at the same time. But tell me, you never thought of bashing him and running away with the money?
Oh no, I'm not into such things. I'm just a fair guy, what can I do?
How does Brian do that? I didn't even manage to get 3 stupid sentences out of the man.
Wie schaut denn aus? Passt das? Folter tue ich gar nicht aufgehen, wenn da 10 Minuten herin.
There are too many people in the house now. I can't.
Also
go
Mona, herin bin ich.
As I can't get to the keys have to get to me.
Ja, besser, Timmy. Da gehen wir zurück. Herrn Kiwi braucht der keinen. Kitchen Window. Keller dir. Ja, mit oben. Und, was geht da?
I leave it till the evening. I go there to pick some stuff in the evening. Now I need the house key.
Er braucht den Key. Einbrecher können wir nicht. Ornament.
I'd love such a life. To lie in bed all the time while the servants bring me the best vintage wines. It doesn't look like an ordinary cellar. It's more like a very well-stocked wine shop.
Da drüben die Terrassen. Und beim Fenster, was geht denn noch?
The air is clear. Not a soul in here.
Ja, bitte, kein Schwein da. Braucht einen Knops.
Lisa, is the breakfast ready?
It's at the window, madam. You told me not to serve hot tea, so I let it cool.
I will inspect it. There will be trouble if something is not exactly as I wish.
The best way would be to lure someone out. Damn, it's falling down.
It's falling
I
down.
almost filled my pants.
Ja gut, Timmy, nicht verzagen. Trick 17.
The air is clear.
Ja, dann nehmen wir halt. Irgendwas zum Einspreizen.
It should be fixed now.
Aha, halt das. Passt.
Somebody's coming.
Also, den Schnaps hab ich.
What is this supposed to mean, Lisa?
Yes, madam.
I ordered you to bring a bottle of red wine. Why is it not here?
It's impossible. I brought it.
Do I really have to do everything myself?
No, madam.
Go for the keys and bring a new bottle immediately.
But I really...
No talking back. I'm not going to tolerate this.
Yes, madam.
The maid is going to the cellar. That suits my plan.
In den Keller. Was gibt denn da drum?
I don't want to run in just like that. Somebody might call the police. Well, the best way would be to break in through the back door. When it gets dark, nobody will see us.
Ja gut, Timothy. Überzeugt. Dann gehen wir lieber da oben.
I go there to pick some stuff in the evening. Now I need the house key.
Aber ja, da dazu,
I
oder?
leave it till the evening. I go there to pick some stuff in the evening. Now I need the house key.
Aber kann ich den vielleicht? Warte mal. Ich hab da serienmäßig einen Korkenzieher dabei.
I can't help myself. I just love the sound.
Ein Korken. Was tue ich mit den Korken?
Reputedly, high-quality wine can be recognized according to the cork. But how shall I recognize a high-quality cork?
Ein Korken höchster Qualität. Gibt's sowas? Mit dem Wein noch überschütten? Nein. Korken? Nein. Ja, da muss ein bisschen rumprobieren, gell?
I go there to pick some stuff in the evening. Now I need the house key. I'll try to stuff it into the keyhole and then I'll get out. Perhaps someone will get trapped.
Der stopft den Korken in den Schlüsselloch. So was geht.